Hi everyone, I am back with the weekly giveaway, and our first contestant was Joanne Sanderson, and I asked Joanne to pick a teammate and she did. She has picked Sue Harvey. So let's get this game underway. So you're each going to have a separate question, not the same question. You're going to have a separate question and you need to give me one of the answers. Like I said before, if you get it wrong, you do get one lifeline. If you get it right, you keep on adding and adding and adding. So let's get this underway. So this is the question for Joanne Sanderson. So let me just put Joanne on the top of here. So Joanne, your question is this: which of these was my first job as a teenager? So did I work in a bingo hall as a caller, or did I work on Brighton Pier on the carousel ride? So that's Joanne's. Just give me one of those answers. Don't forget, all of you that are not actually in the game, you can play along, because there may or may not be a prize at the end of it all if we have an outright winner with the most correct answers. So those of you that are not playing in the actual game, you can play and answer both of these questions. So just give me one answer from each question. And at the end of it, when the competition's ended, I'm going to add all of your answers up and see if we have an outright winner. If we do, there will be another prize to be won. Okay, so the next question is actually for Sue. So Sue, your question is this: what was the name of my dog as a child? Was she called Minnie or was she called Midgie? So that is your question. So if you can give me one of those answers, and then as soon as you've both answered, you don't have to wait till tomorrow. If you answer today, I might get another question up. The more questions you get right, the more prizes you win. Isn't that right, Charles? Yes, and we got some good prizes, haven't we? Yes, we have. So let's see how many of these questions you're going to get right and how many goodies you are going to win. Right, okay, so these are the piles so far, like that. And we shall see if we can add. I didn't even show you what was in the second pile. So we have some lovely bling there. I have some die cuts. So I have this lovely Cinderella coach and horse, and a lovely little monster. And then some of these little pocket bags that are made from vintage books and music sheets. Then we have one of the pussycat dies, and I have one of these. It's like a fold-out pocket for you to decorate. It's you push these tabs in here, if I can do it, and then what you would do is just glue them down. You can decorate these. You don't have to have a Rolodex. They look cute in journals. So there's one of those. So that's what was put in the second pile. Knock it off. He is up to his old tricks. So I look forward to your answers. And like I said, if you get your answers back quickly, then I might get another question up today if you get it right, or get them right. So good luck, the both of you. Good luck, everyone at home. And I shall see you all very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.